The dancemoon JustHang Shower Squeegee uses a single molded silicone body with an integrated hook so it can hang securely on doors, rods, or fixtures without any separate mounting hardware. Its flexible silicone blade clears water, soap residue, and mineral spots in a single smooth pass, leaving glass and tile surfaces looking evenly dry rather than streaky. Because the squeegee is formed as one continuous piece around a firm inner core, there are no seams or gaps where grime or mold can build up over time. The handle has a gently angled shape with a textured, soft silicone surface that stays easy to grip even when your hands are wet and soapy. In everyday use, it works just as well on shower doors and mirrors as it does on kitchen counters, tile walls, and car windows, so you do not need separate tools for different surfaces. Its compact size and balanced weight make it simple to maneuver in tight corners while still covering a generous swath of glass with each stroke.